In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to start trading on Roblox. This video is gonna be straight to the point, no filler, so keep on watching. So jumping right into it, the first thing you need is Roblox Premium. You wanna go to roblox.com/premium/membership, and you don't need the $10 one, you don't need the $20 one, you only need the $5 one. And if you do not see this option, then you can go to your phone and it should be the $5 option on your phone. I know that they kind of did hide it just like, I don't know, like a while back, so don't let them get over on you. This is only $5. And you also get 450 Robux a month, which is great. I've been doing this plan for years, and honestly, I will never go higher because I don't really need to, but this is all personal opinion. The second thing that you need is a Roblox Limited. Now, Roblox Limiteds have two categories. You have high demand, low demand, and some are just worse than others. But the first thing I want to get into is what is actually deemed as a limited, like what's tradable. Because when you search for like a Roblox Limited, then you can see that some say limited U and some just say limited. So which one do you buy? Well, if you go to the ones that are limited U, as you can see, it says tradable is no, and you want to trade, so do not buy these. If the item has any type of quantity, it's not tradable, do not buy it. That is UGC limited. Now these are good. As you can see, it says tradable yes, and this only says limited. Also, it's easy to tell if something's a Roblox Limited if it's made by Roblox itself, so please watch out for that. But those are easy telltale signs, and your first limited matters a lot. You can tell if a limit is high demand if you can see how many sales it gets on Roblox. So this is almost like, I say like 30 sales a day maybe, and it's sold over 600,000 times. Now for Roblox trading, I think the best thing you can start with is maybe 2 or 3 limiteds, because in Roblox trading there's upgrading and downgrading, and you want to have enough items to where this is, you know, comfortable and safe for you. So for example, I would start off with maybe black iron branches and 2 smaller items, mostly because the black iron branches has been sold almost 500,000 times and it gets around 28 sales a day. This means that it's high demand, and high demand items are good, so please, this is a great starter item. I advocate for this full. It's also better to go on Rolimons.com/deals, because on this website you can actually see items that are being sold for less than what they actually are, so these are great deals to capitalize on. So we can go 20%, 10%, we can even buy value. For example, this would be a great item to start trading with. It's kind of low demand, but it's also not too low to where you won't actually get any trades. A bad item would probably be the Walrus or whatever, because what is that? Also, if you want to make it easier, the better looking an item, typically the higher demand it is, so I guess that's another telltale sign too. Now another thing you're gonna need a Roblox trading extension. I told you this video is gonna be really quick. So Roblox is a free extension. It has very cool features that let you know if you're getting a bad item. It lets you know that you get a trade received, and it also lets you know the value in a trade, which is very, very useful. I've been using this extension for years and it has made me just so much profit. Thank you for the owner, and he's doing this all for free, by the way. Make sure you're using Chrome. I'm not sure if this works on Edge, probably not, but please use Chrome for this and it will save your life, I promise. Now, one of the last things you need to do to start trading is you need to verify your Roblox account. And I'm not talking about on Roblox, I'm talking about on the Rolimons website itself. Rolimons is currently the only website that's really being supported by other like Roblox trading things like extensions and games. So this is mainly the main powerhouse of what you want to be, you know, focused on. On Rolimons, you can make trade ad deals, you can advertise your limiteds, and you can even look up items to see how they're doing. And Rolimons is really important because you can also look up other players to send them trades from the website. So for me, I'm not verified, so if I just go to verify, then go to my username, click that, then I have tons of ways to verify. I can verify in game, I can verify my profile. It's very easy, and you don't need to put in any weird code or your cookies. Don't ever give your cookies out, that's not good. Now, to start trading, you want to get offers and you want to make offers. Now, before I recommend this, I advise you to look at my other trading videos. I have literally so many old tutorials are like how to start trading on Roblox, what trades are good and bad. I advise you to please look at those. I give great advice, please, I beg of you. Because trading isn't literally just let me give you an item and hopefully I make money. There's actual thinking to it. So, but the most popular thing you can do is to either join a Discord server that trades or Trade Hangout. And for years, I've been using Trade Hangout, and that's how I made most of my profit. So Trade Hangout has almost like 400 people playing, so this is a very good game to get into. So we're gonna press play and let's see what happens. So with Trade Hangout, as you can see, you have a ton of people in this game who are just talking to each other. Trade Hangout used to be way better than this, but as of recently, Roblox trading has kind of died, so it's not as popular as it was. But Trade Hangout is a very good way to get trades and also just to talk with other people. Now, for getting advice, maybe I would gravitate more to the Rolimons Discord, but this is a good Roblox trading game. It's really only the ones that you really need. So I mean, look at this kind guy. He's already giving advice to this kid here. So I mean, this is just great. Now I do apologize that this is not a full-length tutorial, but this is literally just like a very good just subside. So please follow this video, look at my other videos because I have way more that are in depth, and this is how you start trading.